Good morning everyone, good afternoon and good night. Mayroon akong gagawing color ngayon. One color siya. Ito yung buhok niya. At saka ibang lahi siya. Hindi pwede nga kuhaan ang yang naong kasi mahimong mukha. Muna siya. Yung gustong color is secret. Mamaya tingnan nyo. Okay? So, alright. Ayan, banlawan ko na si red color hair bar. Okay?
Talk to my mom.
My mom.
شوف الزين ولا اكثر لما نحكي.
Hey, that's it. Don't make it too much short.
Okay.
This one short أصلا. بعدين in the back.
Straight.
لا مو straight عادي. شوفي from the back. From here بعدين make it level.
Oh.
بعدين
Layer,
don't go
layer.
in. Don't go
Yeah,
make
yeah,
it
yeah,
short too much.
Yeah, yeah. Soft, no? Korean. Vietnam. Aywa, finishing the red color from Thailand and Korea and Japan, Iran. Okay. More. Aywa, more. Aywa. Okay. Wow, nice. Your dream is?
Came true.
Aywa. You love the color?
Yes. So
I love.
much. So much.
Yes, I love you so much. I love you 3 times.
I think.
3 times a day. Okay. Yeah, you make like this.
I'm so hot. My hands are hot.
Wow. Okay, like that. So like too much the hair color. Wow. From MS Pa Salon. Okay, so alright. Okay. Alright. Ay, ito lang ginawa kong grabe ko. Kay ko sa iyo, pula, ganina sa dito itong tapos blonde. Karon mauna ni siya. Okay na, baby. Ang taas guys. Okay. Don't say.
Mana?
Satisfied si Madam. Taas kay siya, oy, grabe. Hindi ko maabot. Mukin ko na lang ko para maging ano, sexy nila. Tignan din. Sabay picture. Yan ano.
Wow. Oo, te.
Palapit ni mo, Day?
Oo.
Okay.